I feel like I had every reason to dislike the rainbow community.
Yeah.
Okay. And I was very ignorant in my teens.
Right.
Very ignorant. That typical rugby and league type of guy where, we just used to say stupid stuff.
I think when you're it's around you and that's all you know.
Yeah, but I don't want to just say, oh, it was my mates. It was me as well. I was an ignorant little poo. Okay, an ignorant little poo. Into my late teens, early 20s, I was still fairly ignorant. When I went to university, I joined the Canterbury University Students Association, and guess who was our patron? Bubsy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The mayor. He was from the rainbow community.
Yeah.
Okay. The impact he had on my life kind of changed in a small way because there were other factors. It changed the way I perceived the rainbow community in my late